reading is for Leo. Spirit, what are the energies Leo's dealing with in the month of July 2019? Spirit, what are the energies Leo is dealing with? Apparently you're dealing with Libra. Maybe the justice system, you got some speeding tickets. That's what I'm feeling. What are the energies Leo is dealing with in July 2019? Excuse me. Oh, somebody's also pregnant. Pisces, Capricorn, and Venus. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. No, hurt me. No. The intuitive energy of water flows. Oh my gosh, y'all are pregnant. Golly. The intuitive energy of water flows and flows and flows to the changeableness of the mutable quality. There is creativity and psychic insight available, probably hidden in plain sight. The key phrase, I believe, means that you do believe that the answers are out there, and that you, by paying attention as only you can, will find them. In the situation, ask, how can I tap into the compassionate heart of the universe? Listen and see with your heart. Pisces energy is very aware of the unseen currents. Linda, put your headphones on. Pisces energy is very aware of the unseen currents in the world, including the emotions of others. This can be overwhelming. Employ simple energetic protection techniques and avoid destruction, escapism. Alright, Capricorn. Could be dealing with a Pisces or a Capricorn. Earth Practical's energies take on almost a fire intensity through its cardinal qualities. Determination to succeed leads sometimes to success and sometimes to learning lessons the hard way. The key phrase, I use, means that you are motivated to use whatever is in your hands in order to achieve your goals. In this situation, ask, what do I want and what can I use to manifest it? Spin gold from straw. Hard work, but sense of satisfaction is priceless. The drive to achieve is great, but there is dangers in chasing goals simply for enhancing your reputation. You may step on others on the way up the ladder or mountain. Avoid heartless ambition. Venus. Venus is associated with Venus, the goddess of love, fertility, and beauty. Venus is all about what you value, such as money and possessions, but also your ideals. Love, relationships, and partnerships are also indicated in the Venus card is revealed. If the Venus card is revealed, yeah. Yeah, somebody pregnant here, y'all, giving me indigestion. And tired. I didn't get tired. As soon as I started talking, I got like physically drained. So, and I've been pregnant, so I know what it feels like when you just all of a sudden physically drained because you're pregnant. Leo, July 2019. Spirit, we have to tell what they're dealing with. What's going on? Whoa. Alright, right there. The Ten of Cups. We Very emotional, all about that love. Page of Staffs, the 9 of Coins, and the 10 of Staffs. The King of Cups, the 6 of Cups, Page of Swords, King of Coins, the 9 of Cups, and the 3 of Cups. Let me 2 for the overall, Spirit, 2 for the overall. Oh, like you're about to cut somebody, Leo. Everything looks really good except for you about to cut somebody. They're getting on your last nerve. It's going to be that moon phase. And the High Priestess in reverse. And 6 of Coins. Okay. We're dealing with the X energy. The X, and some of you are, you're not pregnant by the X. You have kids with the X and you're pregnant by your present. So, I see a couple different things here. For the one who is pregnant by their present and got kids with the X, I'm seeing that although they have the kids for the summer, it looks like, or your child for the summer, they're not wanting to put any money off on school clothes. And registration is coming up in another month. You want to get things done now, and because they have the child right now, they think they don't need to give you money for school clothes right now because the child is with them. Well, then they should go buy them themselves, right? You have the kid, you take them shopping. Some of you are going to court for a speeding ticket. And you're kind of like, please don't take all my money, please. I know I did it. Here, half. I'll give you half now and half later. And I just dropped that one on the floor. You don't look at my messy hair. I've been outside doing ceramic work. Let me get you one of these other cards. Golfing. Someone's going golfing. Your husband's going golfing, and he's going golfing all summer long. He's been doing it all summer long. And you want to go and do something, and he's feeling a little put off about it because you want to go do something, but he's been going and doing something. He's been golfing. It's right there. Yeah, golfing. There may be some other kind of ball involved, but for the most part, I see golfing. There's also some people fishing. You know, he's out there fishing. And you're left at home and bored. And you just want to go out and have a good time too. Now, until June 1st, there may be arguments. There may be arguments with children. There may be arguments with exes, presents, everybody. Until June 1st. I mean, the moon energy has got everybody fighting. So y'all may be having a little lovers quarrel about, oh, you get to go do this and you get to go do that all the time, but as soon as I want to go do something, you stand on the wallet going, no, you ain't doing this, you ain't doing that, because it doesn't interest you, is what I'm hearing the argument is. Let me get one for Leo for the month of July. One for Leo for the month of July. That one. The bird's nest in reverse. You've been a homebody for quite a while, doing the home thing while he went out golfing and out fishing, and now you want to do something and he's not up for it. 168. The bird's nest reversed indicates some sort of separation, reduction, or reorganization. There may be distance between you and family members. A business endeavor may need to be downsized or brought to an end, or friendship or friends may be far away. But take heart. An empty nest is always a sign of a happy flight. This card reversal is telling you to let go of the old, rein in your plans, and take a new direction. There may even be a physical move at hand, either for your home, your business, or both. Be cautious of your options and be courageous in your choices. Though some parts of this experience may feel like a loss at first, this time of reduction or relocation can actually lead to great personal freedom and professional transformation. So yeah, you've been at home a long time. It's time to get out a bit. I mean, if you're not working and your ex has the kids and the one you're with is out golfing, you're not working, go out and get you a part-time job, and then you got money in your pocket they can't say about it. He knows how to fix a sandwich when he gets home. It's summertime. You deserve some time off too. I see you love him, but I see he's kind of arrogant. He's got a big staff. I can't even believe I just said that. Oh my God. Yeah, baby, you know I'm your king of cups. You want what? That's mine. And you over here about to cut them. Oh, shoot. I see it working out, though. You may have a little tiff until July 1st, but I see it working out after that. See some of you going on a vacation. There's salt water involved. Looks like it's going to make for a great romantic love affair area. You may rekindle your fire. That's what that is. You will rekindle your fire with your mate. Y'all are going out on an ocean excursion, maybe on a cruise or somewhere by the beach. A little vacation, just you and them. I don't even see kids there. God bless you. Ah. If you'd like a personal reading, everything is over on my About, my PayPal, my email. Please hit the subscribe button. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I need all the subscribers I can get. Thank you for letting me read for you, Leo. And blessings to you.